I like to use the term health confidence, meaning your belief in your capability of your body and mind to do the things you like to do every day. You may not realize that you are health confident until you lose that gift. What can steal your health confidence? It could be an accident, injury, surgery, change in your health status, aging, or any combination of those things. If you have lost health confidence, what can you do to restore it? You're going to need appropriate health care. You're going to need time to heal. You may need to learn coping strategies, and certainly you need to move. We know the water is a great place to start moving. In the water, we can reduce or eliminate gravitational loading. We can adapt resistance exactly to your needs and your strength. We're constantly challenging balance. We're challenging respiratory muscles. Warm water is a great place to encourage relaxation and do gentle activities like Tai Chi and yoga. We can also move very vigorously in the water when that is appropriate. Joint swelling is reduced when you're vertical in the water. Pain sensations are typically less. Activities like aqua fitness can challenge all levels of fitness, improve muscular strength, endurance, and cardiovascular fitness. The fact is, the best exercise in the world is the one you will do. When people can exercise comfortably without fear of injuring themselves, they are more likely to exercise regularly and therefore achieve results. Here are some great little sayings to share with your groups about how important movement is to health confidence, life, and health. Here's a free course. Be sure to check it out. It's great to get moving and restore health confidence.